When we think of policing, one word often comes first: duty. The duty to protect, the duty to respond in times of danger, the duty to serve with dignity. But behind this duty are not just uniforms. There are people. They serve not only to protect, but also to change. To every woman in policing, in defense forces, in customs, immigration, and other uniformed services, I say this: you are protectors of peace, people carrying courage in their hearts and justice in their minds. And among them are women breaking barriers, often quietly, often against great odds. But you are also symbols of possibility. Every girl who sees you learns that she too can stand tall. You carry not only the shield of protection, but the torch of inspiration.